Well, the Department of Land and Natural Resources says windy weather is what's causing erosion in parts of Waikiki Beach. For more on that, we send it over to KITV4's Ashley Moser standing by live. Morning, Ash.
Good morning. They're calling it an erosion hotspot. What happened was some of the westerly winds and westerly swells pushed some of the sand. It's not gone. It's just been pushed around. Joining me now with more information, we have Sam Lemo with the Department of Land and Natural Resources. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Ashley.
So this is a big issue. It's something you've been monitoring, especially in the last 3 months. What has happened right here in Waikiki?
Well, as you know, we did a big beach restoration project in 2012, May of 2012, and we've been monitoring the beach ever since. And over the past 6 months, a few hot spots have developed on 2 ends of the beach, one at Kuhio Groin and one at Royal Hawaiian Groin.
So the sand is shifting. How do you expect it to look its best? Because right now it looks pretty good, but it can look better.
Yeah, the beach looks fantastic down here at Kuhio Beach, but if you were to go down to Royal Hawaiian Groin, you'd see that there's an erosion area. As you mentioned, it was a result of westerly winds and western swells that pushed the sand out of the area. We're expecting it to return, though, with the return of the normal trade winds.
Okay, so weather, of course, will play a factor. Once it play a factor in making it look a little janky, but it'll be returning hopefully soon. And coming up in the next half hour, we'll talk more about the economic impact of Waikiki and also what this will be doing for our tourists and our visitors in this area.
Yeah. Be happy to do that.
Okay, thank you so much, Sam. I appreciate that. So we'll have more information coming up in the next half hour, and we'll let you know how this will be fixed and past examples as well. Reporting live, Ashley Moser, KITV4 News. Back to you.